sake that the reason why we're doing this also is because if you look at all the presidential candidates, all, okay, and it's not their fault, the top campaign contributors of all the presidential candidates are big mining companies. That's why. So I think the agenda is very clear of the mining industry, you know, that whoever wins, what they want to do is utilize the mineral resources to their benefit, but to the detriment of all. And the reason why we are putting up this green thumb together with everybody else is to put together a huge environmental bloc that is politically powerful. You taga-media, hello, you have to write about it because unless I really feel, because what the mining company has is money, they have power, and I really feel the way out of it is to start a grassroots movement. Kung maraming tao, maraming youth na nagmamahal sa kalikasan, we are good, man. Even if they have money, never mind. We are powerful. It's our numbers that will make us powerful.
Meron po akong isang weapon pagdating dito sa usapang ganito. Ang alam ko lang, mahal ko yung bansa ko. Lumaki po ako at pinanak po ako sa Naga City, Camarines Sur. And habang pong lumalaki ako, it is the second poorest district in the whole Philippines. And with the help of, I'm not campaigning for anyone, pero lumaki po ako na ang mayor ko po ay si Jesse Robredo. At naiangat po ang kabuhayan ng Naga City sa tulong niya without mining. And ano po yung sinasabi ko? We push tourism. Iba-iba, tourism, ecotourism, lahat po yun pinush niya without even going through mining. At nagtulong-tulong po yung komunidad, nagtulong-tulong po kami mga Nagueño para may angat yung probinsya namin. At nagawa po namin yun. And ang kagandahan po doon, habang po nagtutulungan kami sa community namin, natutulungan po namin yung environment. And kapag tinutulungan po natin yung environment, natutulungan po tayo pabalik.